Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode. I'm here in Santorini. Amazing place. It's completely empty. Santorini is empty as shit, but it's very romantic, very beautiful. It's got this what you see all the ways in the pictures, these blue rooftops and white buildings, and very beautiful sunset here in Santorini. I'll show you around it as I'm traveling. I've got a short open on Bitcoin right now. I think we could be going down. I'm going to show you my short. I'm going to show you where I think we're going to bounce, where we're going to have places that we can buy Bitcoin as it comes down. And more information on the markets, Ethereum as well. Check it out on this video. If you want me to research any coins or do technical analysis, let me know in the comment section down below which coin you want me to check out. In my opinion, the market's pulling back. Volumes are dropping. Bitcoin volume, no. Bitcoin volume is holding, but the altcoin volumes are dropping at the moment across the board. So we really need Bitcoin to get back into a rally for the market to go bull market again. Hit the subscribe button, join. We're going to hit 70,000 subscribers in the next few days. My goal on this channel is to get to 100,000 subscribers. So all of you, as much as you can, try to share this video with your friends on WhatsApp, on Facebook. Tell them to subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumbs up button. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. To the technicals, I've got a short open on Bitcoin. There's a truck passing, 1 second. So if I was just going to go based off this week, of this daily charts, in my opinion, we on this 2-year trend line, Bitcoin going up on this 2-year trend line. It broke the trend line, it had a retest, and it failed the retest. So usually when you fail a retest like this, when it faked everyone out and looked like it was going bullish and has dropped back under. Usually you're going to have at least a pullback to this major support down at the 30K. So this breakout failed, and now we're trying to come back down to the 30K. Stochastic is coming down, very oversold, but volume is still coming in. So be careful here. Volume predicts price, and we still have a lot of buying down here at these prices. So Bitcoin has a lot of volume right now. EMA ribbons, we're going back underneath the EMA ribbons. They look like they're turning. We have VPVR, the major buying and selling is actually down here now at the 33,000. We have a lot of strong support here, though. At this area is the heaviest buying and selling, and we're sitting on a major support line. So if we get a bounce here, a strong one, that could be the bottom. But in my opinion, we're going to go down to 30K. Crypto Guru Bot fired a buy a few days ago, and it's still saying a buy. So that's also bullish in the fact that it fires a buy. And like, for example, the last time Crypto Guru Bot, here was a buy when it was at 9K before it went to 67K, 64K. Then it fired a red sell and it dropped down to 30K. Then it fired a buy, sell, buy. So it's very accurate in the daily time frames. So at the moment, Bitcoin dropping down. On the 4-hourly, what's going to happen for the rest of today? Stochastic is trying to bottom out. The only thing is, we don't have that much volume right here. So it's dropping, but without much volume pushing it back up. When it's dropping like this, we really need heavy volume to get a bottom. And at the moment, we're not getting that heavy volume. We also failed this reverse head and shoulders. That's how I told everyone that I think that Bitcoin's going to drop back here. If you follow my videos a few days ago before we had this big drop, because the inverse head and shoulders failed. We have this M formation. This M formation has already broken the neckline. So in my opinion, the target for this drop should be the base of this M formation, this distance here. And that's going to take us to around, let me check, 38, down here, 37,800 for Bitcoin. So around a $2,000 drop is very possible for Bitcoin. Stochastic is bottoming out. Squeeze Mob is going towards the red side. Money Flow Index is turning to head up. And Squeeze Mob shows that Bitcoin has bottomed out here. So this is an area of major support. If we break here, then most likely 38K. On the hourly, we are turning to head up. Volume is dropped. There's not enough volume, in my opinion. That's the only problem. Looks like there's not enough volume right now to get a rebound. But again, we're on a major area of support. But I think we're coming down 37K. And then another area of support is this down here, 36K. And then the target of 30K. I've got a short open on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you, if you want to trade like you're going to see me do, underneath this video, you can start trading using the same software that I use. Under the video, smash up thumbs up button, subscribe, join 70,000 subscribers, and this is the trading software, Bitcoin Trading Bybit link. This link down below, you get a sign up bonus of 4,100 USD when you sign up to Bybit and start using this link. You go down, you click this link, you sign up bonus 4,100 when you deposit Bitcoin, and it opens this trading software. And in this account now, I have 104,700. I saved my account by selling a few days ago without losing much, which is beautiful because I predicted the drop. I've got all nearly in USDT. I've got $101,652 sitting in there. I've got some Casta, which is actually holding up on this drop, and I've got a short open on Bitcoin from the latest video. It's only up 2%, so 2.3%, made $12 from that previous video. It's a small short, a $500 short, 10x leverage, $5,000 Bitcoin short, target of 33,000 on the short. That's my trades for Bitcoin that I have open right now. Let's check out Ethereum and see what that is telling us. And the rest of the market is just slightly in the red, but again, not much bounces, not much buying volume, and that's worrisome. The stock market also dropping heavily yesterday. Let's look at Ethereum. So on Ethereum, on the weekly, if we just look at the weekly time frame, we broke this symmetrical wedge, this symmetrical triangle. We broke it, and this is usually a bullish pattern, continuation pattern, builds pressure and explodes the direction of trend, but we broke underneath it on the weekly. If we can get back in it like we were a few days ago, that's a good sign, and then we can build pressure and go up towards the 6K. However, we broke back in it, and then we're coming out of it again and failing, and the stochastic turning down and volume dropping off. So more than likely my targets for Ethereum are 1,964 and possibly even coming down to 1,200. But the first target for Ethereum is $2,000 for Ethereum is the target that I think Ethereum is coming to. On the daily, stochastic still heading down. On the 4-hourly, it's trying to bottom out. But I do think we're going to fail here, and it's the same pattern that we're seeing on Bitcoin, which is not so good. If you want to follow my travels and what I'm doing and things like this, I have an Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram, James Crypto Guru. More than 5,000 followers on Instagram, and you can see the travels and posts and stories. I do a lot of stories on Instagram. So jump onto Instagram, type James Crypto Guru, and start following me there, and which is beautiful. These are some concept arts from Magicraft, the MCRT, the game, concept arts of the designers that they're making into 3D characters. We've got a lot of cool stuff coming out. A lot of developers and stuff. Thanks, James. Really appreciate how you actually share what you're doing, and you're very decisive. Thanks for the update, James. What effects will this have on MCRT? The price, MCRT is a low market cap coin. It has dropped quite a bit with the other altcoins, but our goal is to be the World of Warcraft of play-to-earn games. So in long run, my goal is to be a $5 billion market cap. We're currently at less than 5 million. Every time you tell I sell, then something bad is coming. I watch your videos very close a lot of months. It's third time you do that, and after crash very hard. Beautiful King. We've got, and that's just what's happening in the markets. Thank you for watching. If you have any requests for any tokens you want me to look at, the ticker for the tokens, let me know down below. I'm going to go have amazing food in Santorini. We're at a really cool restaurant here. It's really empty, but like you're seeing some cars go past, but Santorini is super empty at the moment. Beautiful sunset. Gonna have some food, and hopefully the food is already here because I'm so hungry. Ooh. And it's just amazing views. Dr. Javan. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.